This will be a speed test between the Sony Xperia XZ2 versus the iPhone X or the iPhone X. Now the XZ2, this one comes with a Snapdragon 835 and this one is the Taiwanese model, so this one has 6 gigs of RAM. And the iPhone X comes with the A11 Bionic chip and 3 gigs of RAM. And this one just updated to iOS 11.3. And the XZ2, Android 8 Oreo. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, XZ2. Messages. XZ2 again. The camera on both. Very close on that one. Calculator. There you go. The clock on both. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both. And leave that running in the background. Play Store and App Store, go. Ooh, XZ2. Go ahead and search for Lyft on both. Leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. XZ2. Go ahead and click on this jacket. Leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. XZ2. The speed test app. They're on the same server. Go ahead and start with the 10 first. Check out the speeds for yourself. We have Chrome and Safari. Go. Go ahead and search for Amazon on both of these. Give this to the XZ2. Go ahead and scroll on the iPhone to give you an idea of the browsing experience. And do the same thing on the XZ2. Much faster on the XZ2. Go ahead and click on the Amazon full site. Ooh, very close. Go ahead and click on this one. Give that to the XZ2. Mario Run. Loading on both. And I think the XZ2 is way ahead. And the XZ2 taking this game. Go ahead and tap to begin. And just close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Iceland. Go ahead and tap to play. And close it out. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands on this one. Loading on the XZ2 and the XZ2 out in front. We'll confirm that right now. And the XZ2 is ahead. Tap to play. Close it out. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on XZ2, but will the iPhone X catch up? And the XZ2 taking this game. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And the XZ2 out in front. And the XZ2 taking this game. CSR Racing 2. And hearing noise from the Sony boy. And the Sony boy taking this game. Close it out. Twitter on both phones. XZ2. And Snapchat. XZ2 again. Go ahead and take a look at the multitasking of both devices. Everything is in the background as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Twitter. Ready to tweet out. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to go on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to play. Angry Birds 2, ready to go. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume. Subway Surfers, ready to go on both. Mario Run, and this is continuing on both phones. What is the iPhone X doing? Okay, a little bit of a lag there though. Browsers on both, and still in the same place. The speed test app, still at the same place on both. Acrobat Reader, still at the same place. eBay. Okay, both had to reload the page a little bit there. The App Store and Play Store. And complete reload on the iPhone X XZ2 kept it right there. The clock on both still running the stopwatch, and this one, yup, still running it right there. The calculator on both. There you go. The camera. There you have it. The messaging app. A little stutter on the right. And the phone app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone X with a notch up top? Or are you a Sony boy rocking the newly released XZ2, the Xperia XZ Premium, that phone having a crazy 4K display? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.